Lacey still inside?
Alright, thanks.
She's destroying the house inside. We can hear her banging. We just came out here because I was afraid she would hit us.
Okay. So she's just throwing stuff around and breaking it?
I assume. I'm too afraid to go.
Sorry, he's friendly.
He's afraid. I was too afraid to look, to be honest. I just hear her throwing stuff around.
Oh, gotcha. All right. And has she violated the order in the past?
No, she's been pretty good, but she was living in a sober living house, but then she got kicked out of there, and we're not sure what. The story's really sketchy from there, and I don't know what she's been up to. We got her a hotel to stay at for a while because she couldn't stay here, and then I don't know.
1132 PC order violation.
She showed up and asked if she could take a shower, but it didn't matter. I mean, she just pushed her way through the door, and I'm too small for her.
Are you willing to provide a recorded statement?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is she at right now?
We don't.
I can hear her. Is she in that living room right there?
Maybe I don't know.
Could be.
Does she know that?
I kept telling her I'm gonna call the police.
Okay, so she does know that the police are coming.
She doesn't know that we've called.
She doesn't know that we called. No.
And nobody's inside?
No.
Okay.
Is there a door on the back side? It's on the back
That's
side?
the front of the house is in the back.
Okay.
We'll go to the front if you just want to hang back here.
I'll just watch this. You guys hang out there. Make sure you get solid PC. Figure out if it's misdemeanor, felony. And once we get more people here, we'll just work on getting her in custody.
Hands on TL? Does that work?
No, once more people get here, I'm going to rotate out and take over the dog side of it.
Okay, sounds good.
She was destroying the bathroom, so we just kind of sat there for a minute, and we both decided let's just go downstairs together. That's about when we closed your guys.
Does she have access to the lock safe where the guns are at?
No, it's a safe lock.
Yes.
It's locked. Okay. Yes. So no, she can't.
Okay. Is this a felony?
Not so far.
Oh, wow.
Did you hear a record say something?
No, it's just we're getting SWAT out for this?
Yeah, I think it's just because it's the gun element.
Okay.
I probably wouldn't have done that either.
That's crazy.
So, at any point, did she assault either one of you?
No. She's on something. I don't know what. So I just hit record. She started saying, "You don't love me." She just started screaming all kinds of stuff that didn't even make sense. You could hear the recording. It doesn't make sense.
I remember this place.
I served the order.
Did you?
I was driving here. I was like, man, this looks real familiar for some reason.
Nice area.
Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
Do you have her phone number, Woo?
No, that's why I said somebody should try to get her phone number and just call her to tell her to come outside.
That's what they're trying to do
Probably
now.
the first thing that.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out or force will be used against you. Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
She didn't make any threats to harm you.
Oh, she did.
She did. What did she say?
I think she said, "I'll f*** you up." She called me a. She said,
Okay.
I'll come get you, bitch." I don't know. It just was so many things.
Besides,
at once that.
besides her saying that she was going to you up, did she explain why? Explain how? Did she come at you at all?
No, she was still in the bathroom, just like the door was shut. This door was shut between us as she was yelling this, and I just stayed away.
So she just said that though, like
Yeah.
she didn't come out, she didn't come at you, she didn't display any weapons. Okay.
Lacey, it's the Federal Way Police Department. We know you are inside. You are under arrest. We need you to come out the front of the house with your hands up.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door or force will be used against you.
But hey, real talk, right? So let's try to, hey, you can look at the stuff and not look at me. So look down. There you go. Okay. It's not rude. I won't be offended. Let's try the soft touch of negotiation. So we've given the hard, hey, you're under arrest. We've covered ourselves legally. Let's give a little like, hey, Lacey, we're just trying to get your side of the story. Come out and talk to us. Like, we're just trying to make sure you're safe and that your parents are safe. See if we can schmooze her that way and try some other de-escalation-atory things.
Lacey, we just want to talk.
A calming voice.
Yeah.
You have one of those?
Come out. We just want to make sure everyone is safe.
That's as calming as Tommy gets.
A couple more rounds of PAs, a BP, try the phone call a couple times, a little bit more professional negotiation from the outside. If not, then breach and hold on the front, yell in there a whole bunch more, and then slow and deliberate till we get her.
Probably got a dog.
Yeah, is he good with biting her?
Yep. Oh, there she is. Hey, Lacey. Hey, just open the door so you can hear us. Just so we can talk. I can't hear you. Can you open the door? I can't hear you. Hey, just open the door so I can hear you. Hey, Lacey, just open the door for us so we can hear you. I'm trying to hear you. All right, here she comes. Hey, 303. Where is it? Oh, okay. Just slide the door open for me so I can hear you.
We have a clear shot from behind the bushes, so if she steps out, we're gonna just tase her, I think.
I think federal cops are what?
You're gonna get tased.
What if my mom's gonna fuck you still?
Go, go, go. Go.
She's back in.
Nope, here. Just back off. She's back inside with the door closed.
I got one.
Here.
She's sitting or overtly non-compliant upstairs. We're just going to pounce on her. She starts to retreat further. We're going to send it out. So let's try to clear our way to the stairs. Just going to clear to the stairs.
What about just going in the slider up there and just coming inside, like on top of the one we got eyes on?
Level 1 upstairs slider, see if that's open, if that might be more direct.
Him standing up now at the front door, pressed against it.
Okay. We're moving.
My mom has been welcome. I'm sorry, did you hear that? Oh!
Lacey, show your hands or you're gonna get bit. Can you get around that side and just go straight on? Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. There you go. Just stay right there. If you move, you're going to get bit.
Wait, can I tell you what I did?
Stand up first.
Stand up.
We're going to stand you up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Federal Way, Washington, May 2nd, 2025. A protection order, a barricaded daughter, and a constitutional puzzle. Most viewers assume officers need a warrant to enter a home. Today's footage shows two doctrines that change that calculation entirely. Issue 1. Warrantless entry. Under Brigham City v. Stewart, 547 U.S. 398, 2006, exigent circumstances justify entry when property destruction or imminent threat is occurring. Both elements are present. Stack on top of that consent from the lawful homeowners. Georgia v. Randolph, 547 U.S. 103, 2006, makes parental consent valid because the resisting party holds no co-occupancy right under an active protection order. Pay attention to what the officer says next. Quote, "Let's try the soft touch of negotiation." That single phrase is gold in any future civil claim. It documents trained de-escalation in real time, but here's where it gets legally complicated. Use of force is governed by a different standard. Issue 2. K-9 threat and reasonableness. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, force must be objectively reasonable based on 3 factors: severity of crime, immediate threat, active resistance. The suspect checks 2 boxes. Property destruction is documented. Verbal threats are recorded. Lawful commands were refused multiple times. Was the K-9 warning lawful? Most circuits say yes, but only if a clear warning is given and a window to comply is offered. Both happened here. Ninth Circuit precedent on K-9 warnings, including Mendoza v. Block 27 F3D 1357, remains the controlling framework, though officers should always verify their department's current policy.
Here we go.
I love men.
Front door.
Tammy, you don't know what a real is, little snitch ass little bitch. Yeah, that's right, Tammy. What's up? Why?
Why don't you stand real quick?
Why?
Oh, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Why?
Go. I got it. Okay.
Why?
Because I like your haircut.
Can I put her in here?
Shut up, fool!
Here we go, right behind you.
Tammy!
Go all the way back here.
Tammy! Come on! I'm sorry I didn't hear you speak!
All right.
Yeah, because you're a dumbass little.
You are okay.
Okay, Daddy.
Tristan, let him do it. Tell her what you're doing. All right, get back your hands.
I'm sorry. My stepdad just told me to act because I'm not rushing. What?
Listen, you need to comply or your shoulders are going to get hurt, okay?
Why?
Tell her what you're doing. We don't want to hurt your shoulders.
I don't like you.
Okay. You need to hold still for the officers, okay, so they can check you.
Okay.
Get this all figured out. That's a probe.
I don't like you.
I think Austin
You're
said one or two.
wrong.
1 or 2. Hey guys, you gotta keep better control of her than that. You cannot let her walk around like that, okay? We're gonna stay right here, Lacey. You're not gonna move till we finish the search. Don't move. Yep.
Tammy, you dumb.
Lacey, calm down.
I hate you, Will.
Lacey, keep your feet back.
Dumb.
Hey, Lacey.
You don't know what a dumb is, do
Everything's being
you?
recorded, okay, Lacey?
You. I don't like you.
Tommy, you done? Hey, Tommy. Make sure you do the search, okay? We're not in a hurry.
Tammy!
Take over my
Tammy!
spot so I can help him.
Gorilla glue.
Okay. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay. That's good.
Tammy! Sorry,
We need
not
to put her
you.
in a car. This car? Yep, that's fine. She double locked, you guys?
Yeah, she's double
Great. Sit down, please, Lacey. Use your words.
Okay, yes, sir.
Handcuffs came on.
Okay.
Can you face away from me, Lacey?
Okay.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back, Lacey.
Yes, sir.
Pull her out.
Okay.
Okay, then you gotta pull her out.
Fuck, why are you so sexy?
Come on out, Lacey.
Don't get
All
it.
right. Keep her against the car. Lacey, we have to get you. Lacey, stop.
Okay. Okay.
Lacey, stay where you are, okay?
Okay.
You just stand right there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, please.
Get the other one first. Get that one. Lacey, relax.
I am relaxed. Tell my mom to relax.
Let's get that hand.
Come on.
Lacey, please keep your hand behind your back.
Okay.
Just tighten the other finger.
Okay.
That's way too loose. That's why she got up.
I like Gorilla Glue.
Let's go.
Okay.
Lacey, put your foot down.
Feet against the car, Lacey. Don't let her out of that car.
Lacey, let's stand up.
Let me do it. And, oh, turn. Lacey, stop.
Okay.
You need to sit down, okay?
Okay, fine.
Notice the suspect's speech pattern. Officers note, quote, "She is on something." That observation matters. Issue 3. Washington Statutes. Revised Code of Washington. 7. 105. Governs civil protection orders post-2022 reform. Violation can be charged as gross misdemeanor or Class C felony depending on entry, threats, or weapons involvement. Add Revised Code of Washington 9A.48.080 for malicious mischief and 9A.76.040 for resisting arrest. 3 charges, 3 statutes, 1 body cam capturing every element prosecutors will need. Now we evaluate every action against established law. The grades may surprise you. Federal Way officers earn a B+. Repeated public address warnings. K9 warning before deployment. Explicit pivot from hard command to soft negotiation. Probable cause built methodically through witness questioning. The grade is not higher because of unprofessional banter captured on the body cam. Comments officers should never make on a live microphone. The suspect earns a D-. Property destruction. Threats against family. Multiple refusals of lawful commands. The only reason it is not an F. She eventually surrendered without escalating to violence. 3 takeaways. For viewers facing a similar situation, a protection order makes the named address legally off limits. Walking through that door is a crime, not a family dispute. Empty hands and verbal compliance are the only safe response. For law enforcement, every word on Bodycam becomes evidence. Banter is admissible. Jokes survive subpoena. For the system, suspected drug impairment should trigger crisis intervention response by default, not as an afterthought. Reasonable minds may disagree on these grades. Was the response proportional? Should a crisis specialist have been called sooner? Share your reasoning in the comments. The most thoughtful responses often shape future analyses on this channel. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. And remember, every interaction is governed by law, even when officers forget.